LayPrices lists sometimes appear empty despite having items, causing argument out-of-range exception. In C# programming, encountering an argument out-of-range exception can be perplexing, particularly when it involves a seemingly non-empty list. One common scenario involves the LayPrices list, which can appear empty despite containing elements, leading to this exception. Let's dive deeper into why this occurs and how to handle it effectively. The argument out-of-range exception. When you work with lists in C#, an argument out-of-range exception typically occurs when you try to access an index that does not exist within the list's range. For instance, in the above example, the exception is thrown because there is no element at index 3, the list only has indices 0, 1, and 2. However, the issue becomes more complex when dealing with the LayPrices list. Possible reasons LayPrices appears empty. Concurrent modification. If the LayPrices list is being modified by another thread while you are attempting to access it, the data might be in an inconsistent state. This concurrent modification can make the list appear empty at that particular moment. Race conditions. Race conditions occur when multiple threads access shared data inconsistently due to timing issues. If different threads are adding, removing, or clearing the items in the LayPrices list, it can lead to an apparent state where the list seems empty. Logical errors. Mistakes in the logic of your code might inadvertently clear the list or not populate it as expected. This might happen instantly before an index access operation, causing the exception. Memory issues. Though less common, certain memory-related issues or misuse can lead to unpredictable list states, making it look empty at certain times. Handling argument out-of-range exception. To handle this exception and prevent it from occurring, consider the following strategies. Thread synchronization. Use appropriate synchronization mechanisms such as lock, mutex, or other concurrency controls to ensure that only one thread accesses the LayPrices list at a time. Checklist count. Always check the count of the list before accessing elements by index. Exception handling. Use try-catch blocks to handle exceptions gracefully and perform necessary logging or corrective actions. Testing and debugging. Rigorous testing and debugging, particularly in multi-threaded environments, can help identify logical errors or race conditions that might lead to the argument out-of-range exception. By understanding the potential reasons behind the LayPrices list appearing empty and applying proper synchronization and validation techniques, you can significantly reduce the occurrences of the argument out-of-range exception in your C# applications.